Hello and welcome to Ancient Asia. When you think of the world's largest species, you probably think of mammals. But bird species can be surprisingly large, with the very largest even taller than a human. Some of the bird species can fly, some of them can't. Either way, they are just amazing. Check out the list of 10 largest living birds in the world. Number 10. Wandering Albatross. Measuring up to 11 feet, Wandering Albatross has largest wingspan of any bird, and it is native to southern and northern Pacific Ocean. There are 24 different species of albatross in total. Wandering albatrosses can live for over 50 years. Weighing up to 12 kg, they mostly feed on small fishes. They also drink lots of salt water. Albatross can be seen floating on the ocean surface most of the times, and they are rarely found on land. During breeding season, wandering albatross gather in colonies in remote islands, and they lay only one egg after mating. Number 9. Dalmatian Pelican. The Dalmatian pelican is the largest member of the pelican family and perhaps the world's largest freshwater bird, although rivaled in weight and length by the largest swans. They are elegant soaring birds with wingspans that rival that of the great albatrosses, and their flocks fly in graceful synchrony. They are native to Europe and South Asia. This large bird grows up to 6 feet and weigh between 10 and 14 kgs. Sadly, Dalmatian pelican numbers are falling rapidly in the 20th century. The birds are now ranked as near threatened on the IUCN's conservation scale. Number 8. Mute Swan. Mute swan is a large water bird that grows up to a size of 5 feet and weighs between 12 and 13 kgs. The name mute derives from it being less vocal than other swan species. They are native to Euro-Siberia and the far north of Africa. They mainly feed on aquatic vegetation. The long neck helps them to find food quickly under the water surface. Their top flight speed is 80 to 90 km per hour. Swans are intelligent and little aggressive. Interestingly, they can remember who gave them care. Swans would attack during the nesting time, bites one who threatened them, and give well care for nests and their babies. Number 7. Andean Condor. Andean Condor is one of the members of the vulture family. This large bird is found in the Andes Mountains and South American coasts. They grow up to a height of 1.2 meters and weigh up to 15 kilograms. Like other vultures, Andean condors feed on dead bodies of other animals. Sometimes they hunt other birds' nests for eggs. This endangered vulture member has a lifespan of 75 years. The oldest condor that we know of lived to be 80 years old. Number 6. Greater Rhea. The flightless Greater Rhea hails from South America and can be found in Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, and through Bolivia. They have a body length between 3.9 to 4.3 feet and weigh up to 28 kgs. The large wings of Greater Rheas are useless for flying. but they use the wings for balancing their bodies while moving. Gretorias mainly found in grass and wetlands. Their maximum lifespan is 15 years. Number 5. Kori bustard. Weighing up to 20 kgs, Kori bustard is the largest flying bird in the world, native to Africa. Male Kori bustard is 2 times much heavier than the female. This 4 feet long bird has a wide wingspan that measures up to 9 feet. Unlike other birds, Kori bustard drinks water by sucking motion. They spend most of their times on land, usually in search for insects in grasslands. Number 4. Emperor penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest species of penguin. They can be seen in Antarctica. These are approximately 5,95,000 adult emperor penguins in Antarctica. They can stand up to a height of 46 inches and weigh up to 47 kgs. They travel up to 70 kilometers in searching for food. Emperor penguins are Olympic divers of the bird world. The deepest recorded dive was 564 meters. That's equivalent of nearly 2 times the height of the Shard, that is the Europe's tallest building. And the longest recorded dive was nearly 28 minutes. Woo, that's incredible. Coming to the top 3. On number 3 is emu. Emu is the largest flightless bird of Australia. They stand up to a height of 6.1 feet and weighs up to 65 kgs. Interestingly, emus also swallow pebbles to grill up the food they ate. Emus have a powerful voice. They can also grunt and whistle. The sound can be loud, but it is so low frequency, it is hard to record. In some areas, you can hear an emu from 2 kilometers away. Emus' long legs help them to achieve a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Southern cassowary. Native to the tropical rainforest of Indonesia and Australia, the southern cassowary is the second largest bird in the world. This large, dark, flightless bird measures 5.2 feet in height and 75 to 85 kgs in weight. Cassowaries are one of the closest living species to dinosaurs, and one of the key visual features of this stocky bird that proves it is the casque on its head. The 3-toe legs of cassowary are very thick. They can't fly but can run up to a speed of 32 miles per hour. The bird which tops the list on number 1 is ostrich. This enormous bird is the largest feathered creature on the planet. An adult ostrich weighs up to 150 kilograms and has a maximum height of 6 feet. They also held the record for the fastest speed of any bird in the land and largest egg of any living birds. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring up to 5 cm across. This helps them to perceive predators at a great distance. Heavy eyelashes help shield them from the sun. Ostriches can run up to a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour. They swallow pebbles for grilling foods in Bulgaria. Ostriches can also live without water for several days. The natural lifespan of this heavy bird is 50 to 60 years. We hope you enjoyed knowing about the largest birds on our planet. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe. This is Ancient Asia.